Hi, this is Javin, a chemical engineer by profession, going to continue our today's topic, mock drill. Now, first we step by step understand what is mock drill. Mock drill are arranged by the organization, public sector, factory government, luxury suit, etc. Usually fire brigade are included in mock drill in order to give guidance to common public and place where the mock drill take place. To give participant relevant knowledge on fire safety equipment, where to handle them on emergency crisis. Being citizen of the country, it is our responsibility to take care of ourselves, our neighbor and valuable assets. Now people should watch carefully and understand what is step-by-step procedure that are being tough during the mock drill. Mock drill consists how to rescue themselves and other around them, where the control emergency situation, do's and don'ts, provide first aid to victim reaching hospital, etc. After the completion of the mock drill, once we'll get clear-cut idea and solution on way to react during emergency situations. Now, objective of the mock drill. The main objective of the mock drill is to review emergency preparedness plan as well as evaluate standard operation protocol in any place, mainly larger organization, school, places where hazardous material are used, chemical, acid, liquefied petroleum gas, etc., which help to concern people to act accordance with the emergency situation, safeguard life and property. Now, example, during outbreak of the fire, the following steps should be followed. Try to get out from the burning of the building. Assist the fire victim. And 2. Put down, utilize sand, wet cloth, oblique clay. Now, why mock drill is important? The ultimate goal of mock drill is the test and improve entire capability of an organization community by means strengthening of the relevant policy, plan and protocol, preparing and participant particular role, responsibility will give save member of life, asset and surrounding, organization that create and constantly maintain feasible and practical exercise mostly prepared to face such events. Mock drill exercise developed should be flexible and planned in accordance need of concerned organization. Mock drill conducted that are not solution for the crisis but efficient approach toward implementing important priority that will lead innovative solutions. Now, necessity of the mock drill. To make people aware hazardous around them, where to handle hazardous substance, include preparedness among common public, known the value, resources, billing the various department, examine standard operating procedure and plan of industries, enhance resources capability. Now, who can take up mock drill training? Professional include emergency response team, fire and safety sector, the member of organization and people wish to get health and safety sector attend mock drill. Now, type of mock drill. Conducting simulation exercise, conducting mock drill, scenario vehicular accident, scenario sandstorm, scenario landslide, scenario of disease outbreak, scenario of fire accident. Now, mock drill conducted various anticipated emergency scenario like fire, explosion, building collapse, major structural failure, spill flammable of liquid, accident release of toxic substance, deliberate release hazardous or toxic chemical, fire mock drill step to be considered for a successful fire drill at workplace. Now what is that? We are understanding a step manner. Now step 1 is create the plan. The first and foremost step to create appropriate policy and procedure, usually instruction conducted, fire mock drill, form group of create plan, conduct mock drill. Before mock drill, proper message, alert should be given to employee, public regarding Fire evacuation technique. Policy decided assembly location, after evacuation, emergency route, escape procedure with map, etc. should be provided. Now, second step, educate public and employee. After the plan, policy get ready to mock drill. Do explain with employee. Also ensure each and every employee receive all relevant information regarding mock drill. The planned emergency document should be given both in hard copy as well as soft copy. If they have doubt, it should be clear before the mock drill begin. Ensure that escape route, fire safety equipment, alarm pool are marked properly. Now, third step, motivate worker to include mock drill. The most important of the mock drill should be tough employee as the live matter, anything else. Let them know, understand the important saving life and that can be done through gaining knowledge, mock fire drill. Every individual organization should take seriously and attend mock drill with interest. Now, fourth and most important, mock drill on regular interval of time. Practice, practice, and practice. It's the only thing that can make you stronger in any field. Conducting mock drill on regular interval time help your employee and organization remain safe and has knowledge on fire safety. Keeping this is routine practice make. Now, think, keep in mind during fire mock drill. Creating a situation resemble fire breakdown and make sure your employee will know emergency fire action plan. A frequent mock drill should be done. Procedure will get chances from one building to another building as model. Construction varies, likewise level of risk to get varies. Escape route should be obstacle free. No thing should be occupied over there and people particular building should know escape route. Now importance of the fire drill. Mock drill help to employee to react quickly, safely, soon during emergency crisis. They play a vital role. Health and safety strongly recommend all the organization. Conducting mock drill any place help people to get emergency. Simulation and help people not to get panic in case actual fire breakdown. Help to know people where how to use fire safety equipment. Now, mock drill training. A mock drill is a practice exercise designed to simulate real life emergency situation in order to evaluate and improve the preparedness and response capability individual and organization. It is crucial tool for assessing the effectiveness of emergency response plan, identifying potential weakness and providing opportunity for improvement. During a mock drill, a participant are given scenario that designed to mimic a real emergency situation such as fire, natural disaster, terrorist attack. They can carry out emergency response plan as they would in real emergency, allowed them to identify flow or area need to improvement. Now, mock drill are commonly used. Variety of setting include workplace, school, hospital, public sector to ensure the individual organization prepared response emergency effectively. They help to build confidence emergency response team and ensure that everyone is aware of their role and responsibility in emergency situation. Now, fire drill training for employee. Fire drill are essential component workplace safety. It is crucial to employee respond quickly and safety in case of emergency. Employee must conduct regular fire drill training to ensure employee how to know evaluate building properly and firefighting equipment to follow safety protocol. Fire drills are essential ensure safety individual in any setting. It is simulated emergency scenario to assess the readiness and response of employee, student, other occupant, building. In facility event of fire, fire drill training prepare individual response effectively even of real emergency, minimize injury, damage and ensure everyone safe evacuation. Now fire drill training, warehouse employee. Warehouse employee work environment with many hazards include flammable liquid, chemical, heavy machinery, regular fire drill training, essential ensure the employee know how to respond quickly, even fire, evacuate building safely. Fire drill training for construction site. Construction site also higher risk area fire. The use of welding equipment, flammable chemical, other hazardous make essential to have fire drill training program. Ensure all employee of the site know what to do in case of emergency. Now fire drill training in oil rigs. Fire drill training, critical employee working oil rigs, the remote location coupled with highly combustible nature, oil and gas, can result catastrophic disaster. Fire drill training ensure employee know how to respond fire emergency, evacuate rig safely. Now, mock drill training program. The mock drill fire training program is effective way to test the preparedness of employee event of real emergency. Mock drill simulate real life scenario, allow that employee participate their response control environment. The training program help identify gap, emergency response plan, provide opportunity, address them before actual emergencies occur. Now, fire safety training for emergency responder. Now, emergency responder include firefighter, policy, paramedic must be adequately trained. Response emergency effectively. A mock drill training program provide opportunity to test effectiveness emergency response plan. Identify area for improvement. Mock drill training provide numerous benefits include evaluate emergency plan. Mock drill enable organization to test their emergency response plan, identify weakness or gap in the plan. It allows improvement adjustment plan to ensure that it is effective, efficient in actual emergency. Now familiarity with the emergency equipment. Mock drill help individual to become familiar with emergency equipment such fire extinguisher, first aid kit, emergency exit, which can increase his confidence and efficiency actual emergency. Now, in individual and team performance, mock drill provide an opportunity access individual and team performance during emergency situation, enable organization to identify strength, weakness of the team, provide an opportunity, training and improvement. Now minimize the risk. Conducting mock drill can help minimize risk, identify what potential hazard, equipment malfunction and other issue could arise during emergency situations. Now comply with regulations. Many organizations are required law to conduct regular mock drill, comply with safety regulation. It ensures the organization to prepare response emergency situation, reducing risk, injury, loss of life. Now, give two examples of the mock drill. For example, fire mock drill are arranged various schools by firefighter which include demonstrate like extinguisher the fire, rescuing the people trapped to higher floor building, rescue the person whose clothing have caught fire, etc. Mock drill are not just practice, they are opportunity to fine-tune the emergency response. Now consider the following scenario. The organization set up simulated fire scenario, design area and used to smoke machine to simulate smoke. When the smoke is released, fire alarm system activated and signal the start the drill, promoting employee to respond as they would during real fire emergency by hearing the instruction from the fire marshal. Employee follow the established fire emergency procedure. They evacuate building using designated evacuation route, move quickly and safely predetermined assembly point. Now the above scenario, understand the important conducting mock drill in your workplace. By conducting mock drill, your employee know that designated exit and assembly point, what procedure to follow in case of emergency. It also familiarize with the individual with emergency procedure. It help to find out weak spot. It improve coordination between your worker and it boosts decision making skill of your employee. Now, conclusion. Mock drill training is essential part emergency preparedness and can help organization to minimize risk, increase safety, and protect individual in the event of an emergency. Okay, guys, this is today topic our mock drill as we are celebrating Fire Safety Week this particular 4th March. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching my video. Next week we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then, goodbye. Do take good care of yourself and wishes you a very happy Sunday.